welcome back to my channel. It's Jeunie B, and I'm back with another video. To all of my returning subscribers, thank you guys for tuning in. Welcome back to my new subscribers, or to just viewers in general. Please consider subscribing. We have a lot of fun here. I think you'll enjoy my channel. So today we are reviewing a headband wig from UNice. It's a human hair headband, super duper affordable. Oh my god, you guys, so headbands are all the rage, all the craze right now. Everybody wants to wear headband wig. A lot of headband wigs are super duper budget friendly, like the one that I am reviewing for you guys today, and they're just super duper convenient, especially for our wig wearers who are newbies and beginners. You guys do not have to worry about lace. You don't have to worry about glue. You don't have to worry about parting space. You don't have to worry about, oh my god, is my hairline looking realistic? Literally, just put on your headband wig and a super duper cute patterned scarf. You're good. You're out the door. So this headband wig that I am reviewing from UNice today is, your pocketbooks are going to absolutely love me. Yeah. So let's just jump right in with some of the general specs. This headband wig does come with combs near the temple area. I personally don't utilize combs on wigs. I didn't utilize it with this headband wig either. But some people like the extra security. This headband wig comes with an elastic band that you can use to, fully secure the wig. I utilize that. The black elastic band is actually sewn into the unit. And it kind of goes into these Velcro elastic straps. So you're actually securing the unit in the back with elastic Velcro straps, which I thought was super duper cool. So the cap size is very comfortable for me. Online it says that the cap size circumference is 22.5 inches. So let's go ahead and talk about the hair. The hair is Brazilian body wave. Online it says it's 100% human hair. And what I thought was pretty neat is that they say that the hair on your unit comes from one donor, which to me is pretty cool because you don't have to worry about different hair textures or different, like a variation of colors. The color is a very natural, soft black color. So the length is 16 inches and the density is 150%, which most folks would consider to be a very natural looking density. So let me share with you guys a few pros that I absolutely love about the wig. The hair is very healthy, fresh out of the box. The hair, the texture, just the curl pattern, beautiful. Again, the strands look very, very healthy, a very nice luster to the hair. Even after I washed and conditioned the hair, the curl pattern came back. It was revitalized. I didn't have to do any extra work to make the curls, come back. The feel of the hair is very, very soft. I'm just like, oh my gosh, I'm in love with this curl pattern. It's just very, oh my gosh, you guys, I can wear this hair in so many settings. It's ridiculous. Like, I can wear this to work. I can wear this running errands. I can just wear this around the house. Right now we're in quarantine mode. A lot of us aren't going out very often, but this is a really quick way to just kind of pop on to look cute in case the postman comes by. I'm telling you, some days I don't even want to answer the door when the postman comes because I'm just like, head a mess, ain't got no clothes on. That's the world we live in now because we're confined to our homes. But this is something very easy. You can just pop on and look cute and don't have to invest a lot of energy. This unit will not break your pocketbooks. This is a 16-inch unit and it's, I believe online it says it's $90. A lot of high-end synthetic wigs are roaming around $50 to $60. For an extra 30 bucks, you can get yourself a human hair headband wig and get plenty of wears, plenty of uses out of it. I love the versatility. I'm wearing it down and I kind of have my hair around the edges combed out. Let me tell you something. My natural hairline kind of starts like a little farther back than I like. So for me, I think it looks most flattering by covering this part up where my hairline is and just exposing my edges. Let's skip right over to the cons. Very few, you guys. I'm going to be honest with you. And then they're like really minor cons. First con is that the headband wig comes with a random headband. So you don't get to choose the pattern that comes with the unit that you bought. They just randomly send you one. And this is the pattern that I was sent. This is the headband pattern that I was sent. It's cute. A little Christmassy. Yes, the little pattern is a little bit Christmassy. Yeah, it's a little bit Christmassy for me, and we're in September, so maybe I will bring this back out in November, December-ish. But yeah, I wasn't feeling the pattern. It's a cute scarf, just not right now for the season. But you guys, headbands are so affordable. You can buy them off of Amazon. Actually, this super cute headband scarf that I have on right now is from my fellow YouTuber Deanna Monet TV. She has a really cute couture shop where she sells like really cute jewelry and accessories. And I saw her talk about this on her channel, and I went to her site and I bought myself 2 headbands. And I love the pattern on this particular headband, but what I really like is that they are a closed headband, so you don't have to worry about tying it up in the back. It's like an elastic headband, so you can even pull your hair up and you don't have to worry about anything being exposed. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm gonna leave the link to her channel and the link to where I purchased these headbands. I mean, super duper affordable. I think I might have paid under $10, around $10 for this headband. Oh my gosh, so super duper cute. Feels silky. I love it. But let me get to the next con. So the next very minor con for me was after I washed and conditioned the hair, I did, as I was washing, get a little bit of shedding. It was very, very minimal, you guys. It wasn't significant. And actually, since I've let the hair air dry, no more shedding. I think that, you know, just like our natural hair sheds, in this unit, your wigs and human hair wigs and human hair headbands aren't, you know, connected to a living donor. It's just natural that over time you will get a little bit of shedding. It wasn't anything extreme. What is the final verdict? The final verdict is that you need a headband wig in your life. Absolutely. If you are a mom, you need a headband wig. If you are a career woman, you need a hairband wig. If you're in school, you need a headband wig. I want to know, where was headband wigs when I had 8 a.m. classes in college on a Monday? I needed a headband wig then. Like, totally. Yeah. It was rough getting up 8 o'clock in the morning. Well, actually before 8 o'clock a.m. to get to those classes. And I want to know, where were headband wigs when I was in labor and delivery? Where was the headband wigs at? Like, I needed the headband wig back in May when I gave birth. Moms know, like, we looking for a style. We always looking for a style right before we go into labor. Like, we need to have something done to our hair, whether it's braids or whether it's crochets. Like, we got to have something going on with the head. And actually, I was like, flashback. I was like, I needed a headband wig when I was about to give birth. It could have been super cute. Pushing. Super cute. Holding the baby. Like, I looked rough after I gave birth because my head wasn't done. But if I had this headband wig, I would have been super duper cute. I'm trying to help y'all out. Y'all gonna hear me today. So, special thanks to UNice Wigs for sponsoring this video by sending this unit for me to review. The link to this headband wig will be down in the description box below. You guys have to tell me, have y'all got a headband wig yet? Have you? If you haven't, like, you're really doing yourself a disservice. Like, you need a headband wig. I'm telling you, you'll thank me later. So, until my next review, I will see you guys later. Bye.